Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says gemmules are characteristic features of option A sponges, option B Hydra, option C Penicillium, option D Planaria. So let us understand the question. The question says gemmules are characteristic features of. So what do you understand by gemmules? So gemmules are nothing but gemmules are nothing but clusters of cells. Okay, clusters of, you can say, embryonic cells. Clusters of embryonic cells, embryonic cells which are found in sponges. Okay, these are found in what? These are found in sponges. Okay, and what do they do during favorable condition? So whenever favorable condition occurs, that time these clusters of embryonic cells, okay, they will give rise to new offspring. Okay, so gemmules are involved in the production of new offspring. So they produce new offspring, or you can actually say that they develop into new offspring. Okay, so during what condition? During favorable conditions. So whenever favorable condition appears, these will develop into new offspring. That is, gemmules will give rise to new offspring. So let us look at the option. It says sponges. Option B says Hydra, Penicillium, and Planaria. So as I have described, gemmules are the characteristic features of sponges because I have already given to you. What about Hydra? How do they reproduce? So Hydra reproduce by, okay, so this is about gemmules, and here we are going to talk about Hydra. So how do Hydra reproduce? Hydra reproduces by, you can call it as regeneration. Regeneration. That means if any part gets detached from Hydra, the body of the Hydra, that will give rise to, that will develop into again a new Hydra. That is what is regeneration. Okay. Then, and also it reproduces by something called as budding. So Hydra also reproduce by budding because they produce tiny outgrowths which are called as buds, and they will, when these buds get detached from the parent body, they will give rise to new offspring. Okay, and hence we can say that option B, that is Hydra, is the wrong answer because they don't reproduce by gemmules. They don't have gemmules. Option C says penicillium. So what do you understand by penicillium? Penicillium is a type of fungus. Okay, penicillium is a type of fungus, and this reproduced by bears a special type of structure which is called as conidia, conidia, and these contain spores. Okay, these contain spores. Okay, so these spores will give rise to, these will germinate, and these will give rise to new offspring. And of course, these will not contain, or these do not contain germ. Hence, option C is also ruled out. Option D says planaria. So what do you understand by planaria? Planaria is a type of eukaryotic organism. Planaria, which develop, or you can say which reproduce by, again, asexual mode. In case of planaria, it happens by regeneration again. Okay, regeneration. Why? Because here again, like whenever this organism gets detached, or you can say whenever it gets cut into pieces, each piece will give rise to a new individual. Okay, and that is what we call it as regeneration. And again, these do not contain gemmules. So option D is also ruled out. So what is the correct answer according to the question? The question says gemmules are the characteristic features of, it should be sponges. So let us conclude the answer. So what will be the answer? The answer will be option A, that is sponges. Okay. So what do the sponges contain? They contain gemmules for their reproduction. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.